The civil authorities have issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for Marion FL, beginning at 5:46 p.m. and ending at 9:46 p.m. Central Florida, including Marion County and Ocala 911, is currently experiencing an issue impacting voice calls to 911. If you need emergency assistance and cannot get through by calling, please remember that text to 911 is still fully operational. If you have an emergency, send a text message to 911 with your location and the nature of your emergency. Our dispatchers are ready to assist you. We will provide updates as this situation is resolved. Please stay safe and share this information with others.